and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Michelle, and on my channel I post new videos about luxury, planning, and travel. So if those are some things that you're interested in, please consider subscribing to my channel down below and also hitting that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I upload new videos every single week. So in today's video, I am actually going to be doing an unboxing, and if you follow me on Instagram, you already know what this is. But yeah, let's just go ahead and open her up here on YouTube too. So here is the tiny little box that was inside of that big bag, and here is the dust bag. As you can see, maybe you already know what it is. Here it is. Dun, 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 dun. It's the Louis Vuitton Petite Sac Plat. Isn't it so tiny and so cute? I absolutely love it. I know I said that I wasn't going to get it, but honestly I just really didn't want to have any regrets. So here I am, and I absolutely adore this bag. So just a little bit more about the Louis Vuitton Petite Sac Plat. It measures 5.5 by 6.7 by 2 inches, and I got the one here made in monogram canvas, and it has a cowhide leather trim, and in the inside it has textile lining. It does come with a removable strap right over here, and inside there is one flat pocket, and it actually comes out all the way. And if you wanted to see, that's what it does. And this bag can actually be made in Italy, France, Spain, or the US, and mine is actually made in Spain. So this bag does have 2 top handles, and you can either wear this bag as a crossbody or shoulder strap using the removable strap. Right over here there is 2 D-rings, so one right over here and then one here diagonally across. And so you can attach the D-rings to the bag and wear it as a shoulder bag or a crossbody, depending on what you want. But I do kind of have a little bit of mixed feelings with the D-rings being here like on opposite sides, because sometimes it can pull up the handles like just crooked. As you can see right over here, like this one gets pulled up while this one stays at the bottom. But there are like different ways that you can wear it so that the handles do stand up. But yeah, I do feel like it would have been better if they had like the 2 D-rings here like on the sides so that it doesn't have that issue with the handle. But still, I love the bag regardless, and there are ways to get around it. So yeah, still overall really happy with the bag. So this is also a very vertical bag, so it's very narrow and deep in here. As you can see, I'm probably not going to get a organizer just because I feel like it would take up a lot of space inside of this already very small bag. And I also feel like it would just act as a liner, so probably not going to get an organizer for this bag. Some of the things that I feel like would be best inside here would be like a long wallet and also a phone. So I feel like this is very perfect for like my everyday essentials. And so yeah, I feel like this is like the perfect bag for me to be on the go, just because I can just take my phone and my wallet, especially when I don't have any pockets. I can just go ahead and reach for this bag and take that one out and just put my wallet and my phone and be on my way. And so yeah, I hope you enjoyed this reveal video of my new Louis Vuitton Petite Sac Plat. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel because I will be showing you guys what fits inside in my next video. And yeah, I think that's it for today's video. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!